For your paper mache donut, you'll need your tinfoil armature. You'll need your paper towel to wipe your hands when they get too dirty, some strips of paper, and if you don't have those, you could just take a regular piece of paper and tear it into strips with uneven edges. Both kinds are fine. The ripped edge paper and also the cut edge paper. Everything you see here is going to happen on a tray. I just pulled up some paper mache paste that we're going to use to dip our strips into. I'm starting on one end of the strip and making sure to submerge the whole strip. And then in between my pointer finger and my middle finger, like scissors, I'm going to just squeeze off the paper mache paste off the paper, squeezing it into the bowl. And then, just like what we did with those strips of tinfoil, we are going to wrap that paper in through the hole of the donut and around the outside of the donut. It might be hard to handle at the beginning, but as you continue, you'll find that your paper mache paper will stick really well to the donut. So you go around the donut, through the hole, and you just keep going around the donut until you run out of paper. You can see I'm sort of massaging the paper around the donut as I wrap. In through the hole, around, in through the hole again. I'm going to try to overlap that edge of paper where I ended. I'll show you again. I'm going to put the paper through the hole, wrap the paper around it, and now I'm going to overlap the edge where the tinfoil starts up again. Through the hole, around, and then pulling a little bit to the right to overlap that loose edge. So I am going to finish that one layer around the whole donut. Once you get that first layer down, that's your base. And you're going to keep going with another layer. As you work, things are going to get more comfortable and you'll get used to the process. You're going to find that your paper sticks to itself better. As you wrap that paper around, you're going to get more of a fully developed base for your paper mache. Always making sure to wrap into the hole around the donut and then pick up where you left off. Notice how as I build up the paper layers, I rub my hand around the donut. I put my thumb in the middle, watch, and then I just rub the donut to make sure everything sticks really well. Finally time to wipe my hands a little bit. I was starting to get a little sticky. Now, what I'm doing now is just flattening out those edges. See, I'm massaging the donut, trying to make sure that the parts that are sticking out a little bit flatten out onto the surface. So I'm just rubbing those loose edges. And now once the donut is all finished, I'm just going to dip my hand in the paper mache paste and just flatten out all the edges that are sticking up. When it's time to clean up, write your name on a Post-it with your class code and bring your donut over to the plastic sheet. Place it right above your name tag and you're done. Start cleaning up.